more happy returns of the day. Natakiriti Rajendra Prasad. He achieved SEMA Award for Best Supporting Actor for July and for Srimantudu and for Mahanati. And he received Santosham Film Award for Best Supporting Actor for Mahanati. Santosham Akini Nagaswarrao Samskaram Award in 2008. Best Supporting Actor for Srimantudu in Santosham Film Awards 2016. For continuously 10 years published as a cover page picture on Ballim Cinema 2000, Ballim Cinema Dictionary 2016. 69వ జన్మదిన శుభాకాంక్షలు నటకిరీటి రాజేంద్ర ప్రసాద్. విష్ యూ ఆల్ ద సక్సెస్ ఫర్ యువర్ అప్కమింగ్ roles, Rajendra Prasad. Best of luck for your health and wealth, Rajendra Prasad.